Okay, so basically here we have it's like a picture frame style problem. Not exactly the same as the one that you're working with, but it's close enough, right? So I got a picture frame. Here's the outside border. It is 30 inches by 45 inches, and the outside border makes up 1/3 of the overall area. And the question is, how wide is the frame? Okay. Well, let's see. The overall area is 45 by 30. Let's see. So let's see. I'm going to make mistakes here today if I don't use a calculator. So let's get that out. Let's see. 45 times 30. That's 1350. 1350 inches squared. And the area of this, small inside part is going to be, we'll call this width, say, I don't know, we'll call it M for no particular reason. So let's see, we've got 30, and it's going to be minus M on both sides. So 30 minus 2M, right? So that's the width of the inside. So the full 30 take away 2M. And then the height will be the full 45 take away 2M as well. Okay. So 45 minus 2M as well. So let's see, let's multiply that out. We get 1350, it's 30 times 45, minus, let's see, 60M minus, let's see, 90M plus 4M squared, and this is area inside. Okay, so let's see. If the area inside, if the border here is 1/3 of the total area, then this must be 2/3 of the total area. So that means that 1350 minus 150M plus 4M squared is equal to 2/3 of 1350. Right, 2/3 of the overall area. So let's see. This, what is 2/3 of that? Times 2 divided by 3, 900. So I'll subtract 900 from each side. So let's see. Minus, no. 1350 is 450. So I get 4M squared minus 150M plus 450 equals 0. See, I can divide each of these by 2. 2M squared minus, let's see, 75M plus 225 equals 0. And we just have to find the solutions for this equation. There will be 2 solutions. So let's go. Hold on a second here. All right. So we're just gonna use the quadratic formula here, and we're just gonna plug everything in and get our solution. It's pretty straightforward. So the quadratic formula is our solution equals negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. I actually had to look that up because I forgot what it was. It's been so long since I used it. All right, and the a, b, and the c are just the coefficients in order. So the squared coefficient, the linear coefficient, and then just the number in the end. So let's see. We get, let's see, our b is 75, and it's a negative b, but our b is already negative, so it's going to change it to positive. So it's going to be 75 plus or minus, let's see, 75 squared minus 4, and our A was 2, and our C is 225, and then over 2A, which is 2. Alright, so let's see. Now it's going to plug everything into the calculator. So 75 plus second square root 75 squared minus 4 times 2 times 225. And hit enter. Oh, and you know what? I forgot. This is plus or minus, so come back here. 75 plus or minus second. Let's just do second square root of clear. 75 squared minus 4 times 2 times 225. So it's 3825 over 4. Alright, so it's going to be one of these two. This doesn't work out to a whole number, so I'm just going to leave this as is. And there's our answer. So it's either, let's see, number that's 75 plus or minus that terrible square root. I bet that the actual problem works out to be something nicer. I didn't actually solve it, right? But basically, you can set it up the same way. Find the overall area. You know that the inside area is some fraction of the total, so you calculate the inside area, which is just the outside minus the border. Set up your equation. Put it into this quadratic form equals 0, and then go ahead and factor it. And I'm sure that it will be simpler than what we've done here. But you can always use quadratic form and then just plug your 3 coefficients in.